In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to date in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever pasted data into a spreadsheet and your dates look fine but won't sort or calculate correctly, they're probably stored as text. Converting them to real date values lets you filter by date, perform calculations, and format them consistently. I'll walk you through a reliable method in LibreOffice Calc using text to columns, which not only splits text, but also converts types without changing your original values unexpectedly. First, open LibreOffice Calc and load the spreadsheet that contains the text dates. If this is important data, it's a good idea to work on a copy so you can revert if needed. Now click to select the column that holds the dates you want to convert. A quick clue that they're text. They often align to the left and formulas won't recognize them as dates. Next, go to the top menu and choose Data, then Text to Columns. This opens a dialog with a preview of your selected column at the bottom. In that preview area, click the column header above your data. It usually says Standard, which means Calc will leave the content as is unless you change it. Now look for the column type dropdown. This is where the conversion happens. Open the list and choose the date format that matches the way your text is currently written. For example, if your text looks like 12/31/2025, choose MDY. If it looks like 31/12/2025, choose DMY. If it's formatted like 2025/12/31, choose YMD. The key is to match the order of the day, month, and year exactly as they appear in your text. If the preview shows the wrong interpretation, switch to the correct order before proceeding. When you're confident the selection matches your text format, click OK. Calc will convert the text into true numeric date values. Don't worry if the display doesn't change immediately. What matters is that the underlying type is now a date. A quick way to confirm is to try sorting by oldest to newest, or apply a simple formula that references the date. If you see a 5-digit number after changing the cell format, that's normal. Dates are stored as serial numbers under the hood. If your dates display differently than you'd like, you can adjust how they look by applying a date format later using format cells. If you get an unexpected result, press Undo and try a different date order in the column type. Mixed date styles in the same column may need attention in parts. And that's it. Your text dates are now proper dates you can work with confidently.